You come here, ass fuck. The question is, why won't you men go to therapy? And I think the same reason you won't eat a popsicle in front of anybody, because you're scared they'll think you a little bitch.
Therapy works for women, but it does not work for men.
Sitting around talking about your feelings isn't gonna do shit for you. How you feel. Go to the gym, lift heavy weights, be a man.
Therapy is not action. Therapy is sitting and crying and complaining. If you feel depressed, you go to the gym, you do something. You don't sit and cry about it.
Ew, Andrew Tate? Weren't you just arrested for selling bitches? If anybody needs therapy, it's this naked ass hot dog. So and what's this be a man shit? What do you think being a man is? Because it's not what women think it is. Being a man means taking care of your mental health just as much as you take care of your physical health. Okay? These dudes will use everything else for therapy except actual therapy. They're like, running is my therapy. No, running is running. Therapy needs to be your therapy. Everyone, I mean everyone I know who does a marathon is f***ed up. If they were at peace, they wouldn't be running until they pissed themselves. You know what I'm saying? They'd be at home watching Netflix like everybody else. But we know why men is this way. Because starting from a young age, we teach them that they can't have feelings.
We were taught at a really young age, don't cry, have no fear.
When you cry, does it make you feel like a failure?
Oh, there's that sense of sitting there going, why am I crying? I shouldn't be crying about this.
There was this one time I was with my friend. He just looked at me, started crying. He just said, I think I just need a hug, and I hugged him, and afterwards, we both looked at each other and we were like, we're never gonna say anything to anyone.
That's sad. Y'all see that? Y'all see what y'all men are teaching these young boys? That you know what? You know what? I need two men to hug right now. Ah! That's right! That's right! Hug! Y'all hug each other, damn it! Woo! This desk make me feel like I got power. But a hug? That's what men want to keep private? But y'all airdrop your dick pics to a stranger on the subway. Priorities, fellas! But look, if men's issues only affected themselves, I'd stay the hell out their business. But the problem here is that men not going to therapy is affecting women. Okay? Depressed men are more likely to commit domestic violence. They're more likely to commit abuse. Plus, instead of going to the therapist, they're using dates like therapy. Yeah. Every woman in here knows what I'm talking about. Some dude you just met on Tinder telling you about how his dad loves his brother more. Well, give me your brother's number then. Maybe I like him better too. Because this is not making me horny. You definitely should talk to someone, but a professional, not me. And what's messed up is even if the date goes well, guess what? Men with depression are twice as likely to have problems with their dick. Which shouldn't be a surprise. If you're depressed, your dick is gonna be sad too. If you walking around miserable, your dick is also gonna be like, swing low, sweet chariot. Nobody knows the trouble I've seen. If you like those songs, you can check out my playlist, Sad Dick, on Spotify. So long story short, men, go to therapy!